Good morning, students. Students, today we solve exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3. Question number 1. Exercise 3.3. Question number 1. Sine square pi by 6, sine square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 2. We want to prove this question. Clear? Simple question is just put the value, you know very well. Pi by 6 means 30. Sin 30, value of sin 30, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 60, value of cos 60, 1 by 2 whole square minus tan 45, 1. When you simplify, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 by 2 minus 1. That is minus 1 by 2. Right hand side. This is question number 1. Just put the value. Similarly, question number 2. 1 to 4 question as it is. 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosec square 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. We want to prove this. Clear? So in this question, sin 30, value of sin 30, cos 60, Firstly solve this part. Cosec 7 pi by 6. Cosec 7 pi by 6, you can write pi plus pi by 6. Pi plus pi by 6, it means pi plus theta, 180 plus theta, and cosec 180 plus theta. In the case of 180, there is no sines, t raised to not sines. Cosec as it is, cosec pi by 6. But you know that pi plus theta lies in third quadrant, and in third quadrant only tan and cot are positive, therefore cosec negative. It means this. And you know very well cosec 30, value of cosec 30, 2. Now put the value left hand side, 2. Value of sin 30, very well, 1 by 2 whole square plus, and value of cosec 7 pi by 6, just to solve, minus 2 whole square into 1 by 2 whole square. When you simplify, it becomes 1 by 4 plus 2 into 2, 4 into 1 by 4. You know that 4 to 4 cancel, and this will also cancel. 2 to the 4. So 1 by 2 plus 1, and 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. It is 3 by 2, and that is right hand side. This is the solution of question number 2. Solution of question number 2. Question number 3. Solution of question number 2. Question number 3. Question number 3. Cot square pi by 6 plus cosec 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6 is equal to 6. Then left hand side, cot 30, cot 30, value of cot 30, and tan 30, firstly solve this part. cosec 5 pi by 6. You know that you can break cosec pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus theta. And pi minus theta lies in second quadrant. Second quadrant. And you know that second quadrant sign it cosec positive. Therefore you can write here cosec pi by 6. Pi by 6. And it is a case of 180, therefore t raised to not c is cosec as it is. And cosec 30, the value of cosec 30 is 2. Now put the value of cot pi by 6. Cot pi by 6, that is root 3 whole square plus the value of this is 2 plus 3 and tan 31 by root 3 whole square. That is 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by 3. This will cancel. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. Right hand side. Okay. It means you can solve question number 4 as it is, no difference. Now we solve question number 5. Find the value of sine 75 degree. Sine 75 degree. 75 you can break 45 plus 30. 45 plus 30. Because we know the value in the form of 0, 30 degree, 45, 60 degree, 90 degree. In the form we want to break. Now apply formula sin x plus y. You know very well formula sin x plus y, that is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. This is the formula. Apply this formula. Apply this formula in this question. Sin 45 cos 30 plus cos 45 sin 30. You know very well. Now can you tell me what is the value of sin 45? Sin 45, that is 1 by root 2. And cos 30, that is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. And sin 30 1 by 2. Now you can take LCM. LCM is 2 root 2. When you simplify, the answer is root 3 plus 1. This is the value of sin 75 degree. It is the first part. It is the first part. Similarly, you can solve second part of this question. Second part, find the value of tan 15 degree. Tan 15 you can write tan 45 minus 30. Or you can write 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45, 15. 45 minus 30, 15. Now you can apply this formula here. You can apply this formula tan x minus y. That is tan x minus tan y upon 1 plus tan x tan y. Apply this formula to solve this question. Apply this formula here. You know very well, tan 45 minus tan 30 upon 1 plus tan 45 tan 30. Right? Now just put the value, simplify. You know that tan 45 is 1, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, and here 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. When you simplify this, the answer is, result is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Further, if you want to simplify, then rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator, that is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. Further, you can solve this step yourself. Here it is easy step. Now question number 6. Now we solve question number 6. 6, question number 6. Question number 6. Cos pi by 4 minus x cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y, that is equal to sin x plus y. This is question number 6. And you know that you can apply this formula in this question. Cos x cos y, this is complete x. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. This is the formula, and that is equal to cos x plus y. We apply this formula in this question. Left hand side, apply this formula. You know that cos x plus y, that is equal to cos x, because the question in the form of this cos x complete this is angle x cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So you can apply this formula here. That is cos x, this complete pi by 4 minus x plus y, this complete pi by 4 minus y. When you simplify, now can you tell me pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 4 plus pi by 4, that is pi by 2 minus x plus y. Correct? Now this is the formula, sin cos pi minus theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta. This formula already, pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 means 90 minus theta. So pi 90 minus theta lies in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant all t ratio is positive. It is the case of 90, then the t ratio will be changed. The cos is changed in sin theta. So apply this formula here. So you can say cos x plus y, that sin x plus y. First cos change into sin x plus y, that is right hand side. Clear? Now your homework, do exercise 3.3, question number 1 to 6. This is your homework, and revise formulae daily. Correct? Thank you.